Hey guys, so today we are going to be talking about how to refresh your curls post-workout. I'm going to show you a couple different things that you can do. Some of you may find that you need to follow all these steps, while others may find that they only need to do one or two of these things. And for me, it varies based on the workout I've done that day or what state my hair is in. So after I work out, typically my roots are a bit oily because I've been sweating. The ends of my hair are a little bit dry. I've lost some definition. So I kind of have a lot of work to do on this hair today, which is perfect to show you. I like to use the steam from the shower to activate my curls again, but if you are someone who does not like any steam to touch your hair, I'd recommend checking out one of these shower caps that has a towel inside. Or if you just want to protect your hair from getting wet, you can go ahead and use one of those plastic shower caps. I'm going to go in without any shower cap because I said I like the steam, so I'm just going to put my hair up in a pineapple and take my shower. So then once I am out of the shower, it's time to take my hair down. My hair has a little bit more moisture in it from the steam of the shower, so that is a good start. There are some days where I can just get away with having the steam activate my curls again, but this day was not one of those times. So I'm going to take a spray bottle and wet my hair because I'm going to apply product. And I like to wet my hair before I apply more product typically because it allows for a softer finish. Sometimes when I apply products to my dry hair, it makes it a little bit crunchy or stiff, but when I wet it, I tend to get better results. And I'm really focusing on these front pieces here because as you can see, those pieces were the main ones that lost a lot of definition, and I want to reactivate those. So a product that I like for reactivating my curls is kind of a gel cream because it creates a cast around my hair while also moisturizing it. So that Shea Moisture Gel Cream or the Mop Top Curly Custard are my go-tos. Today I use the Mop Top Curly Custard, and I really love this product. I've talked about it so many times, but I'm applying quite a bit because I want to create a cast around my hair. This is going to help reduce frizz and also just give me more definition that I will scrunch out later. But after I've smooth the product over my hair, I'm just going to scrunch it in just to help reinforce my curl even more. If you feel like your roots are a bit flat, you can take a volumizing foam or mousse and just apply that right at the roots. So while my hair is drying, I make sure to flip it back and forth to get even more volume. And as you can see, my hair already has so much more definition than it did in the beginning. So a lot of curly girls, I feel like, are afraid to use dry shampoo. I say go for it, especially after a workout. You feel like your scalp needs a little bit refreshing. So I like to apply that to my roots just to absorb any excess oil. And then the final step I would take is to scrunch out my crunch using an oil. You can use any oil or even the Diva Curl Set It Free, which is amazing for reducing frizz. And I literally just go to town with this. I scrunch my hair so much for added volume. You'll see once I'm done scrunching, I do have a bit of frizz at the roots. Feel free to stop if you're not a fan of frizz. I tend to not mind it so much. I like a little bit of the extra volume, so I'm willing to have a little bit more frizz in my hair. But again, this is preference, and I just keep scrunching until my hair is soft and voluminous, and it's hit a point that I like. But again, you can see the definition is greatly improved in my hair from the beginning. So as I said, you may not need to take all of these steps. You can just pick and choose a few based on what your hair is like that day. But I hope that this video helped you guys, and I will see you next time.